beach. I'm at the far end this time. That's the mouth to the Tow River. It's only slightly open. That's where I actually want to go. The other day I was on the beach and some guy called Vanna, he was telling me about in between the rocks he found quite a bit of old coins. So I would love to see that. Really beautiful, yeah. As you can see, awesome beach. There's a lot to work, so maybe I'll do that a little, and then I'll also do some fishermen so that they get something, and then hopefully we'll find something cool. But I'm going to work my way that way and then see if I get what he was talking about. I'd love to find some old coins, but yeah, I don't mind. I do actually enjoy fishing as well, so I will on my channel sometime do some fishing videos as well, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I'll see you guys if I find something. Okay, so I got a nice high reading and I dug it and I actually saw it. There we go. It's a 1 rand. Okay, so I've got it's a very bouncy signal, but it's quite interesting. 22, 70, all over the place. I am going to dig it and see what it is. Okay, well, should have known. Should have known it's a 10th pen. This one is pretty new, or really shiny. Yeah, get a nice solid high number. I'll dig it and see what it is. Yeah, there we go. Our good old favorite. Lucky 1 rand, yeah. Okay, so here's one we haven't found yet. 20 cent. I didn't want to record it, was a very bouncy signal. Yeah. South African 20 cent. Yeah. Doesn't mean anything. We'll keep it anyway. So here's a solid high number. I don't, no idea what that can be. Let's have a look. Might just be a bottle cap. Something in there. Yeah, bottle cap. And a cap. Okay, so another one we haven't found yet. Pretty cool. It's a 50 cent this time. South African 50 cent. It's got a little bit of rust around, so I was unsure. I was quite unsure about what it was. Because it was jumping around quite a bit, but it was quite solid, so I still dug it. So 50 cent, South African 50 cent, excellent. Okay, so that is, in my eyes, a 1 rand. Let's see. Okay, so another one, man. It's a zipper. The little rope on it. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm getting a nice 48, it does jump around a bit, 70, 20, might be a bottle cap. These bottle caps are all over the place. Yeah, another bottle cap. Okay, nice high 90, 91, 92. Maybe another R1. Maybe it's a R5 this time. Yep, there we go. It's a R2. Nice. Very cool. Okay, so another 10 cent. Very cool. Very cool. How's it, guys? Back home. A fun quick session at Wilderness today. I was at the far end, opposite to the previous video. It's a very long beach. There's a whole middle piece that I haven't been to and that I will still get to. So there's a nice long beach to work there. I did want to go under the bridge, like I said in the beginning of the video, and actually go and try and look for these old coins that Vanna was speaking about. But the tide was pushing too hard and I was going to get wet, so I had to actually run, and then I just carried on the beach. Also, if for those people that's wondering why am I digging everything, because I'm quite happy doing that right now, as I'm very new at this. So for me to learn the whole system and learn the ins and outs, and also learn the notes and the frequencies, so I'm quite happy doing that right now. Yeah, so anyway, this is my finds for the day. Okay, so I've got a piece of wire. I don't know what that is. Looks like a homemade 10 pin, and some foil. I've got a Smirnoff cap, a nice shiny 10 pin. I also found a zipper with a little lace on it, and then I found lots of bottle caps. Yeah, nice and lots there. I actually found some more and I threw them in the bin, but lots. And then the coins. Yeah, so I found a little bit more coins today than normal, which is quite cool. I found ones that I don't normally find, or that I haven't found before, which is also quite cool. So we got the 10 cents that I found. I found them crusty. The notes on them are very jumpy. You don't really know what they're going to be. And next, the 20 cents, that was a bit more stable. That was a bit more of a stable tone and note I got, which yeah, but I mean it is quite a clean one. It does have a little bit of corrosion on it, but not much at all. And 50 cents was very bouncy, but it's got a bit of rust on it, so it shows you the quality of the coins is poor. But because these aren't too old, I mean the date on this is 97, so it is quite old, this one, not really that old. Found another 2 ranch, very cool. There's 2 of those in my collection so far. The 1 rands are the ones I seem to be finding the most, so I'm starting to learn those notes, which is quite cool as well. There we go, guys. Thanks a lot. It's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, and get to go with Debbie to the beach, and she does beach larking there, which is very cool. I don't think anybody else does that. So if you enjoy that, please leave a comment and let us know. Also subscribe to the channel, and yeah, give us a like, leave a comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good evening.